To be or not to be? Welcome everyone for tonight's show. Our host is Mr. Red and our guest is Mr. Grass.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our show, To Be or Not. Today's question is to be real or not, and we will answer it together with the guest of the show, the magnificent Grass.
Hey, Red, great to be here.
The Grass. Tell me why I want real grass in my backyard. So painful to maintain. Let's have a look. Here is Max, mowing lawn in full heat of the day. Poor tired Max. All because the grass has to be taken care of. But that's not the end of it. Here comes the watering phase, and the fertilizing phase, and the raking phase, and weeding phase, and aerating phase, and seeding again. And we have to do this all over and over again. What do you have to say to that? So much easier to do it with artificial grass. Put it once and deal done. No one ever will try it.
All excellent points, Red. Now, let's go back to Max to see what he's up to.
That is
Max is having the best time ever.
Hello my friends, where are you all off to?
He's relaxing on the cool, fresh grass, smelling the lovely flowers.
Woo! Nectar!
And watching the happy insects all around him. As you can see, Red, grass can be green on this side of the fence too. Now, let's have a closer look at the fake grass. Do you know what the artificial turf is made out of? Let's go to the lab. Fake grass is not made out of plants. It's the same material we use to make soft plastic stuff. One of the ingredients, polyethylene or PE. With polyethylene, we make plastic bags. Artificial grass is also made out of polypropylene or PP. PP is used to make yogurt cups. The next component that can be used is nylon. We use nylon for fishing lines. So when we combine all this awful stuff together with heavy metals like cadmium and arsenic, with phthalates and other toxic compounds, make the fake grass. So we have the toxic plastic at the top. Do you know what's below? First, put on the mask. It's dangerous stuff. That's better. Second layer is made out of crumb rubber. These are tiny bits of recycled tires. And again, it includes heavy metals like zinc, lead, cadmium. They can be toxic in large amounts. And polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, PAHs.
Truly dangerous stuff.
It's a product of burning fossil fuels. It's really bad for you. Plus, cancer-like chemicals and PFAS. Now let's see how Max is doing.
So hot.
That's right. Fake grass can heat up like crazy in the sun. On a hot day, it can get to 80, 90 Celsius or more. That's hot enough to burn your skin.
My feet are burnt. I'm not feeling well, I'm dizzy.
The toxic chemicals inside the fake grass can impact your health, especially for kids who play on it a lot. Fake grass blocks life from the ground below. It prevents insects, worms, and soil microbes from surviving, which damages the ecosystem.
Whoa, what a mess.
Over time, the plastic breaks down and creates microplastics, tiny pieces that pollute soil and water. You can clearly see it on the football field. Yes, Red, you are right in saying that real grass takes time to care for. But you think fake grass is like giving Earth an awful plastic blanket. This blanket will overheat the planet and kill anything that used to thrive underneath it. But if we make this extra effort to ensure the natural grass blankets the Earth, it will be the greatest gift we can give to the planet.
Then I, Earth, and all of you will live happily ever after.
Aw, thanks sir for popping in.
The pleasure is mine. Always good to see you, Grass.
Ladies and gentlemen, what a twist! Earth itself is on our show. And as we just have heard, let's take care of the grass, because through the grass we take care of Earth itself. Thank you for staying with us. You were great, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.
Conversations have no time to breathe. The sound is bouncing off the walls, so waiting